pulsed electromagnetic field is an innovative treatment that uses electromagnetic fields to stimulate and recharge the body at a cellular level. Similar to how the Earth pulses with a natural electromagnetic frequency, the human body also operates with a pulsating rhythm, vital for maintaining overall health and wellness. The Earth's magnetic pulse is as essential to life as air, food, and water. By aligning with these natural frequencies, PEMF therapy helps restore the body's balance, enhance circulation, and promote healing. The body's natural pulsing and how it changes over time. When we are young, our bodies pulse about 3 to 5 times per minute, helping blood circulate throughout the body. This is crucial because the heart alone is not capable of exerting enough pressure to move blood through all the blood vessels. However, as we age, the number of pulses decreases, with most adults pulsing only once a minute. People with diabetes pulse even less, sometimes only once every 10 minutes, which is why they often suffer from circulatory problems. PEMF therapy works like a battery recharger for the body, restoring its natural pulsing rhythm and improving circulation. Improving circulation and detoxification. The modern world constantly bombards our bodies with toxins, from environmental pollutants to electromagnetic radiation from devices like cell phones, Wi-Fi, and microwave ovens. These dirty electrical environments disrupt the body's natural balance and make it harder to rid itself of harmful substances. PEMF therapy can help by improving circulation, allowing the body to detoxify more effectively. Dr. Ruben Sandeep, who published several studies in the 1990s on Parkinson's disease, demonstrated the benefits of PEMF therapy in improving symptoms such as tremors, visual perception, speech, and memory in patients. His research showed that, when combined with conventional treatments, PEMF therapy significantly enhanced the quality of life for these individuals. The historical development and scientific backing of PEMF therapy. The concept of electromagnetic therapy dates back to post-World War II Japan, which pioneered research on electromagnetic waves. By the 1960s, this technology spread across Europe, with nearly every country developing its own magnetic therapy systems. Since then, over 10,000 scientific papers have been published on PEMF therapy, and more than 2,000 double-blind studies have shown that it is a safe and effective treatment for various conditions, including chronic pain, circulatory issues, and even mental health problems like depression and insomnia. For example, a Russian study on diabetic patients found that those who received PEMF therapy in addition to conventional treatment were 3 times more likely to show improvement in controlling their blood sugar levels compared to those who only received standard care. PEMF therapy and cellular health. The energy in our cells is a key indicator of overall health. Healthy cells typically have an energy level of 70 to 100 millivolts, while heart cells are even higher, ranging from 90 to 100 millivolts. However, people with chronic illnesses or cancer have cells with significantly lower energy levels, often below 50 millivolts. PEMF therapy increases the energy in these cells, helping them function better and promoting healing. This is especially important because when the body can supply enough oxygen and nutrients to an area, it can often heal itself. PEMF therapy not only supports cellular health but also enhances circulation, allowing the body to transport oxygen and nutrients more effectively. As a result, injuries heal faster, and chronic conditions may improve over time. PEMF therapy for insomnia and psoriasis. In 2001, a double-blind study by researchers Palka, Janik, and Grunwald showed that PEMF therapy significantly improved sleep in patients suffering from insomnia. Of the participants, 70% reported that their insomnia was completely resolved, and another 24% experienced significant improvement. PEMF therapy has also shown promising results in treating skin conditions like psoriasis. In a study conducted on 110 patients, 100% of those with psoriasis on their scalp saw complete healing after receiving PEMF therapy. How to incorporate PEMF? While some people notice the benefits of PEMF therapy immediately, others may need to use a PEMF mat daily for several weeks before experiencing noticeable improvements. Results can vary depending on the individual's condition, but many people report significant benefits within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Because of the time it takes to see results, it's crucial to purchase a PEMF mat from a company that offers a money-back guarantee, giving you time to assess whether it works for you. PEMF therapy taps into the natural frequencies emitted by the Earth, which our bodies require to maintain health. While activities like walking barefoot, swimming, or gardening can help you absorb these beneficial frequencies, modern life often keeps us disconnected from the Earth. Wearing rubber-soled shoes, working in buildings with concrete floors, or spending time in vehicles can disrupt our connection to these vital electromagnetic pulses. PEMF therapy offers a powerful, natural way to restore your body's energy levels, improve circulation, and promote overall wellness. With thousands of studies supporting its effectiveness, this therapy has become an accessible and affordable option for many people seeking to enhance their health. By energizing your cells and restoring your body's natural rhythms, PEMF therapy provides a unique and effective way to combat illness, manage chronic conditions, and improve your quality of life.